I used to do a lot of production help for the Khan families in Mumbai. That's where I learned my work as a production guy. So I used to work day and night there in the films. And then I finished my college. I got connected with some of my friends who were in the travel line. That's how I've traveled all over the world. That's where the insight of flowers came to me. You need to have a large vision. You need to know if you're playing football, you need to know where the goal is. You have to strike to the goal, and that's a lot of work. So when I decided that I want to do something, and I did that. So I had two interests. I need to do destinations, and destination obviously was difficult. Every destination wedding is a challenge, and there are a lot of struggles in that. Depending on the locations you look at. Like I've done weddings on beaches, I've done weddings on islands, I've done weddings on palaces, I've done weddings on cruises, I've done celebrity weddings, but every wedding is a challenge. It all depends upon how you work closely with the wedding. There is a one-to-one relationship with so many of my younger generation. Somebody who wants to reach me out, somebody who thinks I'm too big, somebody who thinks I don't have the time. But this is a platform where people can reach me out, ask me questions, ask me what they want. I'm all there for them.